Helo, croeso I sialens Clocsio Eisteddfod. A Clocsio is clog dancing, and clog dancing is a Welsh traditional dance. Your challenge is to complete 3 of the clog dance moves. Once you've done that, take a picture or post a video and send it onwards to your teachers. Then, you'll earn a point. Diolch chi. Right, Mr. Roberts hasn't clog danced for 16 years. So I went to the cupboard, got my clogs, dusted the dust off them, and went to have a go. Right, in this video you'll see Mr. Roberts doing a trick with a candle and a bottle. Please don't try this at home. Right, for the first challenge you'll need a brush or a long stick. Okay? And it goes like this. And you pass the stick through one leg to another like that. Challenge reveal. Second challenge is the clapping challenge, okay? So you need to clap your hands under each leg, like this. Maybe you can make it a little bit difficult, like that, or even around the body, like that. Challenge lead die. Challenge i 3 yw'r zigzag gyda'r traed. Change direction. Make it a little bit more difficult. One leg at a time. Challenge i 3. Pedwar, step Llandaf. The Llandaf step. You can add in the hop then to the other foot. Challenge pedwar.